Hi guys, it's Pamela Naturals back with another video. Today we're doing an aloe vera juice. We're going to be rinsing our hair with aloe vera juice that I'm going to show you how to make at home. I am getting more and more interested in doing less with my hair and using really simple ingredients, natural ingredients to grow my hair. Please support this channel by subscribing and sharing this video. If you're interested, keep watching. So I'm doing a little bit of an overkill with the amount of aloe that I'm using. And as you can see, I'm using 2 large leaves of aloe. I think you will be able to get away with 1 leaf, but to be safe, I'll just say use 2. And as usual, my aloe is cut and I'm going to take the ends of it, or cut off the ends of the aloe leaf, and then go ahead to remove all the thorny bits or the prickly bits. If you watch my channel, you will be aware that I have spoken about aloe in different videos where I've either included it in, DIY masks, etc. So you would know the benefits, but for those that don't know, aloe is an amazing natural way to grow your hair, to reduce dandruff, to reduce itch in your hair. It is also very strengthening and very hydrating as well. And there's several ways to use aloe. You can use it as an oil, you can use it as a detangler, or like in this video, I'm using it as a rinse. So we're going to rinse our hair with aloe. And you can do this by just pouring the aloe on your hair, but you can also put it in like a spritz bottle or something like that and then apply it to your hair. Go ahead and thoroughly blend your aloe to produce a smooth aloe vera juice that's ready to use on your hair. Go ahead and strain this one. I didn't show the footage of me straining this, and I had to leave it in the fridge for some time because I had some errands to run. And as you can see, it's got no slip, it's got no gooiness whatsoever, and that's all because of the method that we use to blend the aloe. If you wanted a gel as opposed to a juice, you would blend it a little bit slower so you can preserve the slimy texture of the aloe vera. So I'm pouring it directly onto my hair. Like I said, you can spritz it, you can I guess apply it straight from the bowl, but I decided to just pour the aloe onto my hair. My hair is already washed because I like to normally do these treatments after my hair is already shampooed so that I'm not stripping it of the natural ingredients that I've put already. So I go ahead and just pour this generously and squeeze the juice into my hair so that it's nice and coated with the aloe vera juice. You can expect shine, you can expect smoothness with your hair when you rinse your hair with this juice. It's an easy way to grow your hair or encourage growth if hair growth is a goal of yours. And after that, all you need to do is rinse it out and go about your normal routine. I went ahead and dried my hair with a towel and moisturized my hair as usual. I would encourage you to do this with your wash day if you want longer hair, thicker hair, and also if you have issues around dandruff and itchy scalp, etc. My hair was shiny and well moisturized, as you can see, the following morning after it had dried, and I was really happy with my results. I'm aiming to include more aloe in my regimen just to combat frizz and help me with, my healthy hair journey. Comment below if you guys use aloe or if you're going to try this recipe at all, what you think of it, what other ways you use in your regimen to grow your hair and to ensure that you've got healthy hair that's reaching its goals, if you know what I mean. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. It really helps my channel and keeps encouraging me to produce content. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. Thanks for watching. Bye.